Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get out of Viber group chat, and now let's dive right in. Now to get out of your Viber group chat, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening the Viber app, guys, open the chat box of the group chat from which you want to get out or leave. So I'll be going to the demo group we had created. So over here now, in order to proceed to get out, you can see the name of the group at the top of the screen. Tap on the name of the group at the top, and this kind of panel will appear where you'll be required to scroll down, and you can find the leave and delete button available for us. Now in order to get out of the Viber chat, tap on leave and delete. And here it says, guys, if you delete this conversation, you will also leave the group and will stop receiving related messages. Would you like to mute instead? So in order to get out of your Viber group chat, tap on leave and delete, and then you will get out of your Viber group chat and no longer receive notifications from that group chat. And that being said, guys, this is how to get out of your Viber group chat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.